Hi guys, we're back with another Hot Toys review. This time it's a War Machine from Avengers Endgame. It has the same design box as the recent die-cast figures, which means that the box opens here instead of the middle. As you can see, there's the War Machine logo and the Avengers logo here. So let's open this. So you have the Roddy Earthsculpt, James Rhodes. Then you have some interchangeable hands. Just like for Iron Man, you have two hands with fully articulated fingers, which is great. Then the back cannon and the figure itself. You have the instruction sheet, so as usual, read it before using the figure. Then you have batteries and the stand. So just like Hawkeye and Black Widow, the War Machine stand has the Avengers logo with the title card Avengers Endgame, along with the War Machine logo and the War Machine nameplate. It's pretty cool. So you have the James Roddy Earthsculpt sculpted inside the helmet. You have the bottom part that can move, so you can properly see bottom of his face, and you can also put back the faceplate on it like this, or have it displayed opened like this. It works with magnets. The Earthsculpt is pretty great, spot on. Yeah, it has great likeness. However, it would have been great to have a full James Roddy Earthsculpt, just like they did with Iron Man from Spider-Man Homecoming, or the recently released Iron Man from Avengers Endgame, instead of just having the sculpted Earthsculpt within the helmet. So let's take a look at the figure. So this one is actually a lot heavier than the usual Iron Man die cast, so really be careful when handling the figure. So as you can see, it's quite massive. You can see the shoulders here, it's really big. Same for the arms, the legs. As you can see, there's some nice writings on the armor, the logo, Mark 6, War Machine logo. You can also see, and then you have here Lieutenant Colonel James Rhodes written here, and that's all. The head can move like this. Here. For batteries, you have to remove the top here and insert them here. We'll see the LED light up features later for the rest of the armor. As you can see, it's quite massive. The arms can move, and the shoulders adjust as you move the arms. There's great articulation here. You also have articulation here. As you can see, it's die cast. Okay, feet. There's this part, and here can move. Also, you have this can move for better leg movement. And also this, and the machine gun can move. Wait. Okay. Can move like this. It's a simpler design than the Avengers Infinity War war machine. That one had a lot of weapons. This one just have this machine gun, but yeah, I prefer this design. It's better, but it is also a lot heavier, so I will like it. What bothered me on the war machine from Infinity War was that it had a lot of little pixels, which was part of the design of this armor, like a camo. But I prefer this one. It's much more closer to the usual war machine paint app, except this one feels heavier. Just look at these shoulders. I mean, you know. So we're going to see the LED light up features. So there's there are LED on the helmet, torso, and the ends, and also the arms. So let's see this. So you have lights here, here, and at the back. So you have lights on the hands, red lights on the arms. Here on the torso you have a red light here and a red one here. The one in the middle is well, you don't really see it here, but it feels more like a bit of purple. And the red lights on the head. So let's turn off the lights. So yeah, you can see the lights. It really looks great, and unlike the oncoming Iron Man figure, you don't spend an hour to install way too many batteries. So you know, here that's just the right number. So here's the gems for the head sculpts on the armor. As you can see, you can move the head, this. It's definitely a great figure. I mean, it doesn't have a lot of accessories, but it doesn't need to. The one thing I wish it would have been included was a full gem shorty head sculpt, like they do for the Iron Man figures. However, the one that is included here is really great. Just be careful when handling the figure. As I said before, it's a lot heavier than the usual Iron Man figures. So, I mean, when you use the stand, just be careful that it's properly posed and that it won't fall. So thanks again for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and you can also read the full review on our Future of the Force website in the link down below in the description. I'll be back for other reviews. See you soon. Bye bye.